Tips on running a remote biz like a boss. So, running a business remotely. Some may hear that phrase and have visions of pajama bottoms, freedom, and Netflix during lunch breaks dancing in their heads. And, well, for others, it may be filled with dread. COVID-19 has made it really hard to find a consistent rhythm and to feel a sense of comfort whilst living and operating in this new normal. And we all know that hard is multiplied when you're a business owner. However, do not fear when Fizzin is here. Whilst the cons of taking and running your business online may seem overwhelming, it's just a matter of tweaking and reinforcing some of the strategies that successful companies already use, in order to leverage the pros as much as possible. Remote work means moving the central location of work away from the usual office workspace. This means working from home, in a personal office, or any other favorite spot. Fizzin suggests trying out the following for your remote biz. Your team is going to require access to all the important files they need to complete their tasks efficiently and in a remote setting. We suggest using Google Drive, Google Meet, Zoom, and Trello, but there are a lot more to choose from. One of the biggest factors you'll be missing from a traditional office setting is the ability to talk in person to your team. That's why you need to have a really good communication plan in place. It's inconvenient to Zoom meet someone to ask a simple question, and email doesn't quite do the trick either. So we suggest using Slack or Google Chat. These tools offer a seamless way for your company to stay organized and communicate with one another. For your remote company to be a success, you need your remote workers to be successful too. The step to this is to hire the right remote workers. As a remote company, the pool of candidates you have to choose from is large, and you can hire anyone. Once you've got good quality candidates to choose from, interview them using a conference software and make sure they are self-motivated. Creating connections with employees and a culture for your remote company can be difficult without face-to-face interaction, but it's not impossible. Make the vision for your company very clear and post it in a cloud collaboration service where remote workers can access it and be reminded of what bonds them together. Corporate culture is also super important, so you can run polls, host fun interactive challenges, and even workshops on a skill. At Fizzin, we do Fizzy Fridays and bubble building activities. Setting firm goals for each of your remote employees helps everyone stay on track. Determine what your expectations are for each role and when deadlines should be met, and communicate this clearly via Excel trackers, for example. Fizzin suggests creating weekly to-do lists, using Google Analytics goal feature to track goals, and having set clear expectations, which will keep everyone accountable. There are a few other non-central aspects of your biz that you also need to stay on top of, such as your website. Whether you have to shift your service to an online platform or you need a strong web presence to attract new hires and provide existing employees with updates and information, a good website is super important. It also provides a way for customers and employees to engage with your company. The next focus for your biz should be social media. Social media platforms are important channels for reaching new audiences and sharing information about your business. Social media may also be used to communicate new initiatives, share product company updates, and develop relationships with an online community of supporters. Both your company's website and socials are more important now than ever. And last but not least, while secure cloud platforms may help safeguard your company's information, it is also vital to educate remote employees about password safety management and using secure networks. If everyone is doing their job to keep data protected with strong passwords and staying off vulnerable public Wi-Fi connections, you'll be less likely to suffer a data breach. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.